aspects of the soil to see how many plants grow according to the type of soil found in the school, beginning with the barranca. To get the results for the soil texture, first, we got a small amount of dirt, like this, or maybe less, something like that. Then we sprinkled some water to moisturize it a bit, and we tried to make a ball, a tight one. If the ball didn't form like this, which it obviously isn't, and you can see it's gritty because it's not smooth, we labeled it a type of soil. We did the same with all the samples we got from different parts of the school.
Our first step was to take samples of soil from different places in school. Our second step was to measure the texture, the moisture, the nutrients, and the nitrogen. The third step was to measure and count the plants.
First we took a sample of each soil and put it on a test strip. Then we added some water and we shake it for 15 seconds. Afterwards, you leave it on the mold and you wait for 30 minutes and then you record the color you're seeing, whereas it is pink or transparent or purple.
We took 6 samples of soil in different parts of school. We had to weigh the evaporating dish and then put soil in it and weigh the soil. When we finished heating the water for 15 minutes, we turned the fire down and we left it to cool down. After it cooled down, we weighed the soil again and then worked out the percentage with the formula. We repeated this experiment twice.
Area, the moisture is 17.49.
From the barranca for the soil texture was loamy sand.
There was a low concentration of nitrogen in the barranca soil. There are 16 trees in this area.
This is a pond area. For the soil texture in the pond area was loamy sand.
There was a trace of nitrogen. The percentage for moisture in the plant is 29.29%.
In this area, there is not many trees, but we can see a lot of vegetation and there is
This is the area above the pond.
The soil was really sandy.
The percentage moisture in this area was 18.3. There was a low concentration of nitrogen.
In this area, we can see 20 trees and some vegetation.
This is the area in front of the kiosk. As you can see, it's really steep.
In this area, the soil's texture was sandy clay loam.
There was a trace of nitrogen in this area. The percentage moisture in this area is 22.91.
There are 21 trees in this area. We can also see 2 types of flowers and a lot of vegetation. This is the area above the kiosk.
The soil texture from this area was clay.
The nitrogen was... In this area, we found a trace of nitrogen. The percentage moisture in this area it was of 23.29.
We have 12 trees in this area and
we can see that there is grass in some areas and not so many grass in some other areas. This is the small court area.
This soil texture was loamy sand.
The percentage moisture is at 27.81.
There are 4 trees in this area. Half of it has grass and half of it doesn't.